Hello guys.
Hi.
Guys, how are you doing? I hope all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Do you know with me, he is my senior staff here. Actually, I'm going to ask him some questions. Brother, how are you doing?
Hi, excellent. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, brother, how long have you been working here?
I'm working here around 2 years already.
2 years,
Yes.
right? So, would you like to ask me these questions? How long?
How, how long you working here?
Actually, I have been working here for 2 months only. My group mates, he taught me a lot of things here. Without him, I could not learn one single things also here.
No. You're also very talented boy.
Really?
Yes, yes,
Thank
yes.
you so much. I appreciate it because you know already, right, why I said I appreciate it. Okay, brother,
Yes.
how long have you been staying in this country? Actually, you were out of Bangladesh, right?
Yeah,
So-
I'm in this country around 7.5 years already.
7.5 years. So actually, I have been staying in this country also almost 8 years. Okay.
Oh, you 8 years.
Yeah,
you are
right.
the senior.
No, I have been living in this country 8 years, but senior like that. But here, working place, I am very junior. Actually, I did not know anything about this workplace, but he taught me a lot of things. That's why I like him a lot. Also, he is the senior staff here. He know everything here. So, would you like to tell something about group mates?
Yes, I have to say something about my group mates. Please inspire to me. Make some more video to improve my English skills.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. See
Thank
you
you.
again.
Thank you.
See you on my next video.
All right.